Here is a level 13. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, there's nothing I can do on the top, right? There's no simplifications I can do on the top of the inside the bracket. There's nothing I can do in the bottom of this division in terms of simplifying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start dividing. But before I do that, I think it's going to be a little bit easier to say, okay, look, what's bigger, negative 10 or negative 9? Negative 9 is. So this is where my answer is going to go. So I'm going to bring my 5 to the negative 10 down, okay, and it's going to become 5 to the positive 10, just like that. Okay, and the same with the x's. What's bigger, negative 1 or 2? 2. So this negative 1 is going to come down, become positive 1. Okay, so I have x to the positive 2, x to the positive 1 on the bottom. And then what's bigger, y to the 3 or y to the negative 4? Well, the 3 is bigger than negative 4, so the answer, so this, I'm going to take this y to the negative 4, bring it to the top, and it's going to become y to the positive 4. Okay, remember when you switch, when you move these powers, either up or down, they switch signs. Okay, the exponents switch signs. So on the top, I have y to the 3 times y to the 4. Add the exponents, that's going to give me y to the 7. My 5 to the negative 9 times 5 to the 10 is going to be 5 to the 1. Okay, and then my x to the 2 times x to the 1 is going to be x to the 3. So I've totally simplified everything inside the brackets, and that's all raised to the negative 2. So each of these exponents is going to be multiplied by the negative 2, giving us y to the negative 14 divided by 5 to the negative 2 times x to the negative 6. Okay, now because all of these terms have negative exponents now, they're all on the wrong floor. So I'm just going to switch their floors and their exponent signs will change. Okay, so the 5 to the negative 2 comes to the top, becomes 5 to the positive 2. The x to the negative 6, which was on the bottom, comes up to the top and becomes x to the positive 6. Okay, the y to the negative 14, which is in the numerator, which is in the top, goes down to the bottom, goes down to the denominator, becomes y to the positive 14. Okay, and this is our final answer. And that's it for level 13. Have a good day.